Hello and welcome to a groundbreaking moment at Nucamp. Today, we're not just announcing a new course. We're unveiling what could be the future of education. Imagine a world where the most advanced artificial intelligence provides you with an unparalleled learning experience. And imagine accessing this at just a fraction of the usual cost. This isn't a distant dream. It's our reality today. For the past year, our team at Nucamp has been deeply invested in harnessing the power of AI for education. And now, we're ready to reveal our interpretation of what the AI school of the future may look like. Crafted entirely by AI, the new Eloquent JavaScript course is the product of our internal tool, the AI Producer. It has ingested the insightful book of the same name by Marijn Haverbeke and transformed it into an immersive learning experience, complete with video lectures, coding exercises, quizzes, and assignments. But that's just the beginning. We're also bringing together 3 additional AI tools to complete this experience. We've introduced Astro, a one-on-one AI tutor to guide you beyond the lessons, providing contextual and personalized assistance. The AI grader will meticulously analyze and grade your assignments, setting a high standard for mastery and understanding. And finally, the Debugginator, an ingenious code debugger integrated with Discord, will assist you in troubleshooting your code. We're candid about our journey. Currently, we estimate that we're at 60% of the quality level we aspire to achieve. The video lectures can be more captivating. The depth of topics can be expanded. This is an experiment, a bold foray into the future, and your feedback is crucial in refining and elevating the learning experience. Here's the best part. You can enroll in Eloquent JavaScript for free. Your input will be invaluable as we continue to enhance this pioneering course. At Nucamp, our vision is to harmonize the strengths of humans and AI, creating a symbiotic ecosystem for learning. This vision is already in motion in our paid bootcamps, where students benefit from our comprehensive AI tool suite and the expertise of our highly rated instructors. So, join us in redefining education with Eloquent JavaScript, a course where your participation shapes the future of learning. Enroll today and be part of this innovative experiment blending AI and human creativity. Together, let's embark on this exciting journey and discover the possibilities of AI-driven education.